Want to start your lash business in 2025 but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm sharing the exact tips to help you start a thriving lash business from scratch, even with no experience or budget. I'm Ashley Meeks, a lash educator and entrepreneur. I've trained over thousands of students to help start and grow successful lash businesses, and I can help you too. Okay, so in order to start your lash business, you gotta get certified. All right, so having your certification on is very important. Do not let nobody tell you it's not okay or you don't have to have a certification. Yes, you do. Okay, you want to have a certification because, again, if you was to go to esthetician school or cosmetology school, they do not teach you how to do lash extensions. They go over lashes briefly, but they do not go over lash extensions. So you're going to have to find you a course to invest in to actually learn a skill like lash extensions, wherever you're at. Okay, so if you are a beginner, I highly suggest you guys invest in getting your certification into lashes. That's the first thing. If you're looking for an affordable lash training and mentorship, Meeks Lash Brand offers a certification and business building tips for just $70 a month. Now, the next thing that you're going to need for your lash business is the right tools. If you are going to do lashes, you want to make sure you are using quality products, okay? So try to refrain from using cheap products. It's not going to do you any justice when it comes to lashing, okay? So if you are going to do lashes, try to find you a reputable brand or somebody who you know have quality products where you're able to do lashes, because as a lash tech, your tweezers is your lifeline, and it can really make or break you when you are trying to do a lash set. And you don't want to be out here struggling doing people lashes because of your tweezers. So make sure you are using quality products. Quality products is literally everything. And if you are going to use cheap products, try to refrain from ordering from Amazon or Shein. Those right there, y'all, they give you the bottom of the barrel lashes, the bottom of the barrel glue, and the bottom of the barrel tweezers, and you do not want to be ordering no cheap products, because if you are a beginner, you are going to be struggling, and then you're going to have to reinvest more money into more supplies when you could have just invested one time into quality supplies and actually start perfecting your skills as a lash tech. Now, I do offer lash kits that include everything that you need to get started, from the lashes to the tweezers. I will drop my website below in the description below so that you can get that as well if you are interested in getting quality products. Now, the next thing to build a successful lash business in 2025 is to build your lash skills. All right, so once you get your certification and once you get your skills, your tools, and things like that, you got to practice, okay? That's how you are going to build skills as a lash tech. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you are going to practice at least an hour a day, you are going to build muscle memory, okay? So the more you do lashes, the easier it's going to get. If you are struggling, practice and perfect your skills. Do not really worry about what other lashes got going on, things like that, because it's going to slow you down. Pick up those tweezers, practice making fans, isolate, place them to the mannequin head. If you got models, take models. It's going to get easier and easier and easier, but you have to start, okay? So try to build your skill, try to take models if you can, your sister, your friends, your family. That is literally how you're going to build your skills as a lash tech. And again, the more you do it, the easier it's going to become. So you have to build your muscle memory, and you got to build skills when you're just starting out in the lash industry. Now, for me, how I built my skill was I started taking friends, family. I even practiced on my sister. So once I got my certification in lashes, I was like, all right, I got these people lined up. I'm going to continue practicing on my technique. So I had my sister. I took my sister. I did her lashes. You know, it took me about 4 to 5 hours to complete her lashes because, again, I was a beginner. And after that, I had the next one lined up. I had a friend, and then I had a stranger, and then it went from there. So the more you do lashes in the beginning stages, it's going to get easier and easier and easier. So again, y'all, you got to put yourself out there. So people, you want to do lashes, practice, okay? So people can start booking with you and getting their lashes done by you, and you're going to be so happy that you even built your skills and perfected your skills. Okay, so now let's just say you took your class, you got your certification, you've been taking models, you don't know what to do next, okay? So now you have to start where you at, okay? So if you don't have a studio, start at your house. If you can't do it at your house, become a trial lash tech. There's other ways that you can get around with doing lashes that people are going to still book with you. You just have to know what you're doing as a lash tech. If you ain't got nowhere to lash at, become a travel lash tech. Is ways to do it. But I started in my grandma's house, y'all. I didn't have a bed. I didn't have my light. I didn't have anything for my business. So I literally had a sofa and a lamp, okay? And that's literally how I was taking my clients, was off my grandma's sofa. And from there, y'all, that's how I built my business to where it is today. So if I wasn't consistent with myself, and I just started with what I had, I wouldn't probably be making YouTube videos. I probably wouldn't be mentoring or doing lashes. So start with what you have. Start small, and then you can grow big. So those models that you're taking, make model prices. Use the money that you get from the models to invest into your business. And then once you get everything that you need, you are going to start to see the profit in your business. But if you ain't got enough money to start with or get a suite or anything, start with what you have, but you have to start. It's going to come along. It's going to come a time where you're going to have everything figured out. But in order to get things figured out, you have to start where you at. Just start, okay? All right, so now after you started, it's time to build your brand. So you got to build your brand online. If you don't put yourself out there on social media or anything, nobody's going to know who you are, what you do, or how to book with you. So you got to put yourself online, okay? So that's literally everything right now, y'all, is digital. You got to make an Instagram. You got to have a TikTok. You got to have this. You got to have that. So make sure you have that for your business, okay? In order for you guys to actually be successful, you want to start posting your work. Whether you feel like it's worthy or not to post, still post it. You're going to be surprised. There are people going to be searching hashtags, looking up lash techs in your area, things like that, and they're going to be booking with you, okay? So still post your work, post lash maps, post befores and afters, post client, client testimonials, things like that. Just show people that people do come to you and they do like your work. So just put yourself out there, y'all. Just literally post your work, show befores and after videos, pictures of what you're doing. And again, that is going to help your business grow a lot too. So just post and be consistent with the posting. So now after you done did all of that, you got to find clients and you got to keep coming back. So what you have to do, I'm going to give you guys a little tip, a little gem, okay? So how I was able to build my business was off of Groupon. And Groupon, I love Groupon because they do help small businesses get clients and things like that. So try to put yourself on Groupon as well, and make sure you are kind of set your prices a little higher because, again, Groupon do take a percentage of the sale of when people book with you. So just try to set yourself a little higher than normal, and then use Groupon. Literally, like when I tell you guys, when you get clients, they're going to find you on Groupon, they're going to book with you, and you're going to schedule them out, and that right there is going to be a consistent client coming back to you off that one time because they find you on Groupon and you did her lashes really good. So you got to find clients. Again, another way to get clients is off of social media, post hashtags, things like that under your videos and your pictures. But you got to get clientele to build your business, okay? So make sure you guys do referrals, run ads, do marketing things for your business as well, so you can build clientele, okay? It's a lot of people out here doing lashes. It's enough clients out here for us to get clients. It's a lot of people in the world. So as long as you are consistent with yourself, your skills, it shows. Just be able to provide for your clients and perfect your skills for that. And another thing, always have great customer service for your clients. They are going to be literally like your walking ad, okay? So when people see their lashes, they're gonna either refer you to you, and you got a client coming back to you. That's a new client right there. So you always want to give your clients great customer service, okay? So you are going to be surprised. Word of mouth do spread fast, and referrals, offer your clients referrals if they do share your business to another person or not and whatnot, and they do come back. Offer them something for referring them. So make sure your customer service got to be A1. It really does. Alright, y'all, so if you follow these steps in the video, you'll be well on your way to building a successful lash business in 2025. If you need extra support, mentorship, or tools, check out the description box below. I'll link everything, you guys, for you ladies that do want to learn how to do lashes or need mentorship. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe this video, and I will check you guys out later. Mwah. Bye, y'all.